Hey everyone, it's Trader Rob. Today is February 23rd, Friday. Let's get today into the green. Let's get this week in February into the green right after the intro. As always, nothing that I state on this channel is financial advice. Trading futures or any type of trading is risky business. Any capital that's put out there is at risk for loss. All right, everyone. So obviously, today is Friday. I say it almost every single Friday. It's an important day for trading. I think it just gives you a really good intro into the weekend and gets you into a positive state of mind for the next Monday's trading day. That being said, let's take a look really quickly how the morning strategies fared out yesterday. Let's start off with oil. Session 1, we had a winner, got an inside bar activation at 8:10 in the morning. And well, 8:10 was our inside bar. We then get activated into the long. Stop loss goes at the bottom of our source candle. We were looking for 16 ticks, full take profit. Nice trade. Was not in that one yet in our eval. Session 2, which I was in, unfortunately was a loser, 26 tick loser. We get activated to the short. Big range almost throughout the entire second session. And then you get a huge move off this. Let me see if I can delete this guy. Off this small inside bar right here. We then get a huge move out of there. But oil yesterday between both sessions was a loser. In gold, I think gold, if I'm not mistaken, has had 3 consecutive winning days in a row. I know for sure it's got 2 with 2 10-tick winners. I know that for damn sure. But we get activated into a short here off of the 825 inside candle. Again, stop goes at the top of our source candle right here. Full take profit, 10 ticks or $100 if you're trading the E-mini. Now, the beauty of the trades yesterday, the Rob reversal, we get activated at the 8:30 open, the New York Open, Central Time, within our conditions. Take this for a long 35 points, $700 on the funded account. Beauty of a trade. For the rest of the day, we get a short setup at 9:45, closes above the ADMA, no trade. And same thing with this trade here at 11:45. And 12:15. Neither of these activate because they're both giving you a signal, or I'm sorry, they give you the pattern is there to go short, but does not get activated at all, and it's above our ADMA, so no trade. Today is going to be a shortened trading session for me. I will probably only be able to trade gold this morning. Got some appointments here for work. So I will need to be leaving early. I will leave the Rob reversal running. That one doesn't seem to be having any issues. I still do have an issues with my bracket orders on my regular trades here. I'm supposed to have a session with NinjaTrader when I get back from work today. They are going to remote into my PC and see because they definitely do see the errors that I am getting. They did say they had a reported error yesterday. I don't know if it's just local to my machine or what. So if I get into a trade in gold, I will just have to put in my brackets manually. Let me pull up the Top Step dashboard here. We currently sit at 50,140. I think we took about a $47 loss yesterday trading. So that's where this stands at. And then if I pull up, where are we at here? Let's take a look at our funded account. Come on. Funded account currently sits at $678 in profit. Obviously, that Rob reversal yesterday hit, and that helped out the funded account. So we've got 5 trading days here, 60% win, which is pretty much the trades. I've been only taking one trade per day. So the funded account is in the green. Let's try to finish this week in the green. Today, let's finish in the green. I know that I'm only going to be able to take one trade, but it's all it takes, one trade. Stick around for my recap and stick around for the day's trades. I'll see you guys here in a little bit.
Order canceled.
All right, here we get activated into our gold session trade. We get activated to the short here, and I was pretty excited about the entry. I should say kind of the direction too. And for two things. One, we've got a downtrend here. We've got, we've got a few legs down. We're currently under the overnight open, which is a very bouncy type of price action area, in my opinion, from what I've been looking at charts. Going even back to Bob Anderson's strategy, looking at charts for a year and a half, just on that strategy alone. I know that there's typically going to be some movement one way or the other, and then sometimes you really start kind of bouncing around the overnight open. So again, I don't use it as a discretionary tool or a discretionary indicator of going in or not. I do use it as a reference point, but I had a good feeling on the trade. I hate using that word feeling, but short was kind of a way that I thought price action would want to go. And, pretty much right from the get-go, we get knocked in pretty much by a tick with, I think, one tick of slippage here. And price action just stays above my entry, which is obviously in the wrong direction for me. And what happens here towards the end of the trade is a little nutty, but we get buyers that step in and really defend this area, take price action straight up, and then this thing just rockets afterwards after it hits my stop loss on here. So unfortunately, I took this one loss. I'm not sure I'll be able to take another trade.
Stop filled.
Well, just kind of a blah day of trading. Was only able to take that one trade in gold this morning, which you just saw. So took a loss today, 230 bucks. Went with the E-mini on the gold trade. So let's pull that one up here. Just wicked in, reversed, 22 ticks. Had one tick of slippage on that one. So that was a loss there in gold. And of course, had to leave for work. Session 1 did not trade. This was a loss of 20 ticks. And the good one, which was oil session 2, we get a inside bar that gets activated at 9:25 in the morning. I was already gone for the day, and that one took for 14 ticks of profit, so was not able to capitalize on that oil trade. And on the Rob reversal,
connection
we get the dreaded connection lost. I actually haven't heard of that one in a while. Not sure why we got that, but anyways, not a big deal at this point. We got a setup here to go long at 9:15. This does not get activated because this closes below the ADMA, really close there. Obviously keeps you out of a pretty damn bad trade, which is great. And another one on the flip side, we get at 11:45. I was actually taking a look at this one on just on a trading view chart. I saw obviously not to trade it, but just to see if we would get into a trade or not. And this thing almost closes above the ADMA, but setup was there. What didn't fit one part of the condition, and this one, just for my own sake, to see let's see what this would have generated. Looks like
21 points, so would not have been a winner anyways. So that obviously kept you out of a bad trade, and no further setups for the day. So unfortunately, I go into the weekend on a red day, on a negative day. Overall, I'm happy with the week. I'm happy with how the trading for this week came out. Had some really high impact news throughout the entire week. I think we were able to navigate that pretty well. And now we get to relax over the weekend and come back and hit it strong on Monday. Monday should be fun. So hope you guys all enjoy your weekend. I know I am going to. Got my daughter's volleyball tournament this weekend, so that should be some fun. And look forward to coming back. Happy trading, everyone. See you guys.